Hey designers, let's edit this picture in Photoshop. Open the image. Let's separate the subject from the background first. Go to Select. Subject. Right-click. Layer via Copy. Go to the Adjustment panel and add a solid color. Fill it with a color of your choice. Make a new layer now. Take the ellipse tool. Draw a circle. Remove fill. Select shape here. Give it a stroke color. Adjust stroke width. Adjust its position. Now go to the blending options. Check the outer glow. Blend mode linear dodge. Select color. Adjust spread and size. Now check color overlay. Blend mode. Color dodge. Adjust opacity. OK. Move the subject layer on top now. Above the ellipse layer, we will make a new layer. Take the brush tool. Select color. Increase the size. Make the brush soft. Now turn the eye off of the subject layer. Decrease the percentage of the flow. Now click once. Decrease the opacity. Turn its eye on now. We'll make an adjustment layer on top of this layer now. Take a new solid color. OK. Right-click and create clipping mask. Blending mode soft light. Select the mask. Take the eraser tool. Make sure it's soft. Now erase few areas. Now let's make a new solid again. Select the same color. Right-click. Create clipping mask. Blending mode to lighten. Select the mask. Press Ctrl-I on your keyboard to invert. Reduce the opacity. Now apply brush here to make the pink color visible. If you think it's gotten too much visible and you want to revert it, take the white color and apply brush on it. I hope this video helps. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.